It's going to be increasing our winds across most of the state for tomorrow. Is very depictive here across parts of the northwest. Satellite showing that broad trough that's digging across northern California up to parts of the Pacific Northwest. That is the machine that's pulling in the moisture from the Pacific. Right now, though, it's just increasing our winds. These are the upper level winds. You can see the trough kind of illustrated here across the northwest, but it is still translating to some stronger winds at the surface here, especially across areas west of the Wasatch in Utah and back the western slope. That's where high fire danger is in place today. Certainly have gusty winds across the Raton Mesa today. 40-mile-per-hour gusts coming through across Trinidad, the Springfield area at 38-mile-an-hour gusts right now. So it is warm. It's windy across the region, but we are going to be talking about some very strong winds coming into play for tomorrow. Now, it's not going to be damaging winds by any means, but enough to carry loose outdoor items into your neighbor's yard by tomorrow. The winds really start to increase across the eastern plains overnight tonight. Will be breezy here across the Pikes Peak region, but region-wide by tomorrow afternoon. Those winds are pumping out of the west-southwest across most of the state with 30 to 40-mile-per-hour gusts by the afternoon hours. Yes, it's going to be nice to be outdoors tomorrow. Certainly soak up the sunshine, enjoy it, but it's going to be a bit breezy. And please be mindful, we have fire weather warnings in place region-wide. Burn bans is what that means, alongside with just how sensitive the fire weather conditions will be. One small spark can turn into a very fast-moving blaze on a day like tomorrow. So windy and warm with high fire danger in place on Saturday. Temperatures will be soaring into the 80s to low 90s across most of the region. 90 in La Junta, 80 in Denver, 83 there in Canyon City, and 89 in Springfield, 74 in the San Luis Valley. We'll start off with plenty of sunshine in the morning, transitioning into mix of sun and clouds by the afternoon hours. Very breezy. Most of our showers should stay off towards the central mountains. Some of this activity could spill over into parts of northern Taylor County by tomorrow evening, but most of the day part's going to be nice and dry. So Saturday is going to be your best day to be outdoors. Sunday is where things begin to change. Most of what you're noticing here is the kind of the different color palette showing up across the eastern plains. That's really indicating some sunshine across Kit Carson County and the northeastern plains. This is primarily going to be some rain cold air for us across most of our region, beginning in the morning with cloudy skies and then passing showers and thunderstorms really materializing into the early afternoon hours west of I-25 and then moving right over parts of Pueblo and the El Paso County locations by 2 or 3 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, and then pushing from the southwest to the northeast. The potential for some strong winds in this system alongside with some locally heavy rain if our instability levels can be high enough and remain high enough. A lot of times if we get capped off with the cloud cover and that daytime heating doesn't really help to really ripen up the atmosphere, we don't usually end up getting quite as heavy of those rainfall totals because the instability is just not going to be there. So this model might be overdoing it just a bit. The key message on Sunday is passing showers and thunderstorms will be likely Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, and then we'll start to see that system swing some moisture back across parts of the Sangre de Cristos, areas into I-25 on Monday. So on Memorial Day, we will have some of those passing showers lingering with cloudy skies in the area and those cooler temperatures really not tapering off with some of those rain showers until 4 or 5 o'clock on Monday afternoon, and still a chance for rain on Tuesday, but most of our activity will happen in that time frame between Sunday and Monday. So Memorial Day, the skinny here, temperatures in the 50s, 60s possible with showers and thunderstorms. We'll be talking a little bit more about the threat for some stronger storms coming up for this weekend. And Marty, we'll keep you posted on that as we get a little bit closer to the event. Temperatures again steady in the 60s region-wide on Memorial Day. Look at this. We go from the 70s in Woodland Park on Saturday. Do not let that 20% chance of showers and storms discourage you on Saturday. Most areas are going to stay dry. It's Sunday and Monday where the clouds start to return and the showers and thunderstorms start to march across the region, with rain cooled air taking our temperatures from the upper 80s in Pueblos down into the 60s and 70s both Sunday and Monday. And same goes here for Canyon City with a mostly dry start to the weekend and a mostly cloudy and rainy end of the weekend. And the same goes for Colorado Springs. That warming trend will continue for next week, but we'll kind of go down into the 60s for Sunday and Monday. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
Ah, this is fun. This is the most I've ever skated in my life. Man, I'm exhausted.
Here's like Mary doing pirouettes.
It's like working with Scold. I'm getting that puck, and I'm taking some slappers. No, don't push me. Boy, this is not gonna be good. I'm gonna throw up. I hate this ride. I love you. Stop the pushing. Let's go, Avs.
Come on.
Here we go with the push.